These chili fields are the fiery beginning of hot sauce, where flavor, heat, and quality start.
Only peppers meeting strict standards are harvested to create bold, balanced hot sauce.
Keep the heavy ones near the bottom. We can't afford any bruising on this shipment.
Fresh chili peppers move quickly from fields to protect flavor needed for high-quality hot sauce.
Bring the next pallet right here. Watch the edge.
Copy that. Almost there.
The farm phase concludes as chili peppers depart, officially beginning the hot sauce factory journey. Freshly harvested chili peppers are graded carefully to meet strict quality standards for hot sauce.
Are perfectly clean.
Yes, the speed adjustment is working well.
Crate labeling ensures full traceability throughout the hot sauce manufacturing process.
Did you confirm the temperature setting?
Yes, maintaining 40 degrees as requested for the peppers.
Smart logistics protect chili peppers throughout transport to maintain premium hot sauce quality. Transportation ends as chili peppers reach the hot sauce factory, ready for processing. Chili peppers officially enter the factory, beginning their controlled transformation into hot sauce.
Factory washing systems guarantee chili peppers meet hygiene standards for hot sauce.
Defective chili peppers are removed to preserve the integrity of hot sauce. Preparation is complete as chili peppers advance toward hot sauce creation. Grinding transforms whole chili peppers into the foundational mash for hot sauce.
Viscosity is optimal. Confirmed. The slurry is perfect for blending.
Seed separation fine-tunes heat intensity for balanced hot sauce flavor profiles.
Fermentation deepens chili flavor, creating complex character in select hot sauce recipes.
Aroma is good, but the texture is slightly thin. Noted. I'm adding the adjustment for the next run.
The hot sauce base is complete, ready for cooking and flavor development. Industrial kettles slowly cook the hot sauce base, unlocking deeper chili flavors. Garlic and seasonings deepen complexity within the cooking hot sauce blend. Heat levels are adjusted precisely to deliver consistent hot sauce intensity. Cooking ends as hot sauce advances toward refinement and quality control.
Filtration refines hot sauce texture while removing unwanted particles for smooth consistency.
Microbial count on this sample is slightly elevated.
Yes, but it's still well within the acceptable safety limit for the green sauce batch. I'll log it now.
Consistency checks ensure every bottle of hot sauce pours exactly the same. Metal detection protects hot sauce consumers by eliminating contamination risks. With testing complete, hot sauce is certified safe and ready for packaging. Automated filling lines accurately dispense hot sauce into bottles at high speed.
Batch coding enables full traceability for every hot sauce bottle produced.
Packaging checks confirm each carton contains the correct number of hot sauce bottles.
Packaged hot sauce leaves the production floor ready for global distribution.
Finished hot sauce is stored safely in warehouses awaiting distribution worldwide.
Prepared hot sauce shipments are staged efficiently for fast outbound logistics. Regional distribution ensures hot sauce reaches retailers quickly and reliably. The journey ends as hot sauce reaches tables, delivering heat worldwide.